Today I will try to make money by playing this game called Thetan Arena. So from what I heard, it is possible to make money by playing this game. I'm going to test that today. So when we go to their website, we can see that we can download this game both to mobile devices and to computer. Oh, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. It's only for experimental purposes. Now, I want to talk about an important question. How do we make money by playing this game? First of all, it is possible to both invest money to make money and make money without investing any money. Of course, obviously, I will not invest any money in this video. By the way, we invest money to characters. If you go to the marketplace from here, you can see that there are NFT characters that you can use in the game. You buy characters for $100, for $300. The price depends on the rarity and the level, and those characters have a limit, so after a time they die. Like with this character you can play 240 games, so after 240 games you can't play anymore this character, you have to buy another one. Or I'm not sure, but you can also maybe upgrade it or heal it, I don't know, but anyways you will have to spend money again so you can play again with paid characters. I mean, you also have free characters in the game that you can play, but the real question here is, what is the difference? Like, why would I pay for a paid character when I can play with a free character? Well, if you have a paid character, every match you will make money. Like, even if you lose, you will still make some money. But if you have a free character, you won't make money per game. You will make money per rank. So when you rank up, you will make money, not when you play a game. I downloaded the game, I played just one game so I can see how it works, and I got 10 Thetan coins. And if you go to the coin market cap, we can see the price of one Thetan coin is 0.1. So if you calculate that, that means I made $1.4. And obviously, from what you understood, this price, the price of these coins can change, and like it might worth more in the future, but this is something that up to you if you're gonna hold that coins or not. So now I'm gonna call some of my friends to come to the Discord, and we are gonna play this game and see if we can really make money. I will keep you posted.
Beyler. Yok ediyorum.
Yok oldu, yok da oluyor ama.
Bana geliyor hepsi.
Match over.
Hazır bu arada.
Ortada MVP olmuşum.
Takım olarak baksana oğlum, zaten üçümüz çok iyiydik, baksana oranla.
Öndeyiz.
Oğlum yolladım mı kafanıza? Tamam. Ölmediler ama olsun.
Böyle. Oy, F'si güzelmiş. Onu da ben yakaladım.
Ah.
Yok o. Ben de yokum.
Ben de yok.
Kara delik attım. Topladım. Sandım. Ben ödülü
Saniye, ben de verdim de.
Ben 10 token daha aldım. Şu an kaç? 20 lira falan mı oldu bende?
So I've been playing here for 3 hours straight, and let me show you what I got. As you can see, I got 40 coins and I'm recruit 2. At the moment I got till here, then I got down here, which, I mean, that's how the game works. If you win, you go up. If you lose, you go down. And one more thing, let me show you. So I'm recruit 2, and if we go here, the bronze 1, which is 4,000 trophies. Now, why did I show you the bronze 1 rank? I showed you because to withdraw your money, to withdraw your coins, you need to reach bronze 1. If you're not bronze 1 in the game, you can withdraw your money. So you have to reach bronze 1. Yeah. Let me put you there. Okay. All good. So basically 40 coins at the moment worth $5, $5.6. I mean, it's not bad. Like, yeah, you can make a living from this probably, but still it's not bad. I mean, I just played a video game, it was fun, and I got $5. Which of course the price of the coin can go up, can go down, so that can change. But anyways, now I'm gonna go take a shower, eat something. I mean, I'm a human. So after that, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna play till the end of the day, and I'm gonna let you know what I got after playing one day this game, Thetan Arena. So, see you again. Yeah, we have a lot to discuss. So probably you're wondering how much money I made. Let me show you. Yep. By the way, I played another 3 hours. And now you might ask, but you are still the same, like it's still 40. And yeah, it's still 40. Like, I played for 3 hours but nothing. And that's because this is a type of game that you win trophies when you win, and you lose when you lose. To rank up, you need to win, and when you lose, you can't get again the same reward, so you have to win. Yeah, basically that's the point. And I was like winning one game, losing another game, winning one game, losing another game, so it was like a hell loop like that, and I'm still on the same point that I was 3 hours before. So here's an advice: you either play solo or you have at least 3 teammates, friends, like you can play together, because in-game players suck. Yeah, they suck. Like, I was literally MVP on every single game, but we still lose, like, because they suck. Just check this: team MVP, team MVP, team MVP, team MVP, MVP in general. Like, what else can I do? Like, just do something. I mean, this game has a potential that you can earn money playing this game, but you have to win. And at the end of the day, would I suggest this game? Yeah, I would. I mean, I wouldn't suggest to rely on this like such a source of income, but you can see it as a side hustle, like just to make a few bucks, extra bucks. Like, if you play video games in your daily basis, like if you play video games every day, why not play this game? Like, you can make money, make some extra money. Also, if you need carrying, here's my telephone number. I can do that. $1 per game, like, sounds pretty decent. I can carry you if you want. I mean, you saw I'm MVP. Anyways, basically, you can make money playing video games. But if you want another games, here's a video where I try to make money playing video games other than this game, playing other games. So if you want, you can watch that video too. Bye bye.